And the instructions, I'm pretty sure they don't say anything about doing that. A bit of a spontaneous metal working project whilst I'm waiting for wood to glue up and paint to dry in the van. Okay, so next week we are going away in the van, and at the moment there's no way of getting in, and it's actually quite a big step up, especially after insulating the floor, and it hasn't got the little inset step like in a Sprinter, so we need a midway step. Eventually I'll get around to making a kind of slide out one, not making, but purchasing and installing a slide out one, either manual or powered. So I was trying to think outside the box, and I saw that these aluminium lightweight hop-ups were on sale at Screwfix. But the problem we've got is it's just too tall. So what I'm going to try and do is cut these back as far as I can and see if I can re-rivet them or something. Yeah, it'll be a bit of a learning on the job, this one. First of all, I'm going to drill out the rivets, take these plastic feet off the bottom, take off these angles. I'm not sure if we can manage without those, I might have to put those back in elsewhere and then see how we get on. I haven't actually got any decent drill bits, but... That's one drill bit down. Get the feeling we might end up having to pick this up in the morning. Only because it's going to be quite noisy unless I get a hacksaw out. All I'm doing is drilling out, there's a rivet in the feet and a rivet at each end of the side, this support. So it's pretty speedy to do. Then I've measured up how much of the profile goes into the plastic moulding and measured up from the side step to make sure we've got enough material there. So basically we're going to be looking at that sort of reduction, which I think should bring us about where we need to be. That's it, I can't face one more unfinished job. I'm just going to hacksaw them off. This is such lightweight aluminium, it shouldn't take long. And at least we can get it done tonight. Got to find a hacksaw now. Success. Right. Got to be quieter than angle grinding. Do you know what? I think this could be a success. Still got to try and rivet them on. Let's just test it for strength, see if we need those braces. So it's better than a rigid caravan step anyway, because it does fold, but it's a shame that when it folds, it doesn't fold flat. It's quite an articulated kind of hinge there. So, you know, it's not particularly slimline, but either way, it's still an improvement, and for £24, We can't really go too far wrong. Right, let's get those feet riveted in. Riveting fun. So I find myself out of depth when it comes to metal work, but I feel like I managed that okay. I'm going to bed, but I will test it out in the morning and I'll finish up the video with a bit of a sample of how it works. Well, you know how it works, it's a step. Just step on it, but oh, it's late. Here I am blurry-eyed the next morning and it was a success. Now, there's some guys digging up the road outside, so I won't be able to talk outside, but I will set up the camera and you can see how well it's turned out. So it's no major engineering feat, but I'm pretty impressed. Bearing in mind it only took us about half an hour. I think these were £24. They come at 600mm as well. This was 900 wide, so it really is almost as wide as the whole door opening. The problem is, even with the electric slide outs, they only seem to be 500 or 550 wide. So you've always got, you know, the side of the step, especially with kids and things, where you know they can either topple off, or if you're trying to get to the front section of the van or the back section of the van, you almost need 2 steps. Anyway, that was my quick solution, which will certainly come in handy next week when we go and use the van. So if you enjoyed this spontaneous quick little video, give us a thumbs up and make sure you share it with anyone who may benefit from it. But apart from that, subscribe if you haven't done so already. We've got loads of house renovation videos coming up and the rest of the van conversion. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time.